What's up guys, I'm randomfrankp, and I paid $475 for $3,475 worth of mystery tech. The only catch is I have no idea what's inside these boxes of Amazon tech returns. Welcome back to episode 3 of Unloaded. That's the whole point of this series, going through these boxes of mystery tech, see what we can use, see what's junk, see what's salvageable, see what we can resell. That's the whole fun of this thing, a giant mystery unboxing. So you might notice this time we have 3 boxes, and this auction that I bid on definitely had a bit more. And the plus side is, since the first 2 episodes aired, the prices have kind of normalized on the liquidation site, so we're getting a lot more for our dollar, which is great. We also have about 2 more episodes already in the pipeline. The Pallet just arrived this week, so if you're a lover of the Unloaded series, that should make you happy. Alright, so we're just gonna hop in like we usually do. Again, we have 3 boxes this time, which I definitely wasn't expecting. And no, for everybody out there who's curious, I did not look at the manifest on the liquidation site because that would spoil all the fun. So, no idea what's inside here. Let's just start popping them all open. Alright, so now the chaos begins, and I hope you guys enjoy the little added camera up top here. I added that for some fan suggestions. Oh my god, lots of paper here. Oh baby. Oh man. Lots of packing paper. Maybe too much. Alright, so right off the bat, I am seeing a Gigabyte motherboard. This is the X299 Designer EX. I've never even heard of this one before, but this is perfect because it does fit in with that whole like white PC build we have going on the channel. And as I did last time, I'm gonna put the estimated Amazon ESRP up top here in the corner so you can see what the estimated value of each thing is worth. So it was definitely used because the bottom's all taped up. And alright, I just wanna see, it looks like it's in good condition. It still even has the CPU like shield, that like little fake plastic CPU they put on it. Oh, wow. Robbed. Absolutely robbed. This is an Asrock motherboard. Somebody... See, this is the thing about this series. They're tech returns. People can return them because they ordered the wrong thing. They can return them because they, ordered it on accident, or they just don't want it anymore. Or there could be those D-bags out there who buy stuff, replace it with their product, and say, oh, you sent me the wrong product. This is very clearly a Ryzen Asrock motherboard. Man, that's a major bummer. Major bummer. Starting off with a bit of the zinger here. Hurts right here. Hurts right here. I can put this off to the side. Alright, now we got a headset for the PS4. This is the Turtle Beach Air Force Recon 50P. Odds are it's probably close to like $30 or something around there. Definitely not one of the more premium headsets, but hey, we'll test this stuff out later. Let's see what we got. This is the story of a girl. I have no idea what this is. It's looking just like a home security camera maybe or something. Alright, Net Atmo or something like that. Really don't know much about this. Looks like one of those, like, it's probably like an Amazon funded product. But if it is like another home security camera or something like that, maybe we'll resell it. Alright, so since there's 3 boxes, I'm gonna have to fly through this because I don't want this to be like an hour long. Pallet Mambo Fly. This is like I would assume like a real budget friendly little mini drone. Alright, this is currently sealed. And I'm picking this one up because there's another one in here I saw. So 2 Pallet Mambo Flies. Become a pilot. Smartphone control, stabilizer, aerial snapshots. Huh. Interesting. We'll test these out later on. I see a Manfrotto box. This could be cool. And it's looking like it's definitely some sort of tripod head. Oh man, this is a serious heavy duty ball head here. Let's see. The 498 RC4. Not too familiar with that. No real other stuff inside the box. Alright, maybe we could use this. I am rocking a sort of 3 camera setup here just for this series, so this could come in handy. Maybe even replace the little ball head I have up top here with a Manfrotto one. But of course, if it's like crazy expensive like most Manfrotto products are, I can always resell it. Alright. What's next? Another audio system. Last time we got an audio system from Boss, it was completely torn apart. What is this? The R1002 or R102? Let's see. So the amplifier is actually in decent shape, just by a quick little look. But I'll worry about this stuff later on. I just want to focus on getting through the good stuff here. But I'm not a big car audio kind of guy, so that's, you know, not a big thing for me. Let's see. There's a lot of stuff in this box. These two are kind of light, so most of the stuff's gonna be over here. No idea what this is. Is this like another security camera? Maybe like a baby monitor, it looks like. Le Fun. Yeah, this is probably some sort of like baby monitor or something like that. No use for that currently. But I mean, all the stuff, all the accessories, the cables, all inside here. That could have some good resale worth, you know? More printer ink. Printer ink seems to be like a hit for some reason for returns. Just looking inside the bag, both are in there, but they are opened, man. I was hoping they would be brand new, because ink you could resell on Amazon or eBay and make a killing. These are both opened. Let's see how the actual ink container is. It's still got the protective tape on it, so hey, I will most likely resell that. Now we got, this is looking like a dish something, a dish HDMI or some sort of USB cable for dish. I don't know, we have Verizon unfortunately. What's some sort of cable. Not too fun. Alright, so I'm seeing an EVGA 1000 watt power supply here. This is their Gold series. Let's see. Got the cables and everything. It's all wrapped up nicely. Even got the screws. So odds are this is in pretty good shape as well. As long as it's not, you know, fried or no one pulled a switcheroo with their fried one, like the person with the motherboard. That still bums me out. I'll probably hold on to this since we're building a lot of PCs and stuff on the channel. We got the holidays coming up for a lot of holiday builds. Hold on to it just in case. Anti-slip mats. There's a whole ton of them in here. Don't know if this is for like a car. I don't know. I have no idea what these are used for, but there's about 10 of them or so. I guess we can do something with them. A Belkin micro HDMI cable. Nah. Let's see. What is this? Magic plates. Just little magnetic. Just little magnetic mounts for like a phone mount in your car or something like that. Nothing too fun here. Don't know what this is. Some sort of, what are these? 6-pin cables, 5-pin cables? Don't know. Maybe they belong to something else in here. All right, we've been favoring this box. Let's check out some stuff over here now. Ooh, I don't know if I broke it or if it was already broken. I don't know. That smells like some fresh acrylic. I may have just broke whatever this is. The stand or the base. It's just one of these things. I may have just broken the base when I opened it. That's my bad. We're gonna take a loss on this one. Alright, what else is over here? Looking like a big set of, these are like laminate half sheets. Huh. So I guess like little covers you want to put important papers in or something like that. So I should note that when you're on the liquidation site, most of the consumer technology and like PC supply stuff are also bundled in with like office and electronics. So that's why we get a lot of office supply stuff mixed in with the tech. So kind of makes sense for those who are curious out there. All right, I'm seeing Yamaha over here. This is looking like a pretty serious looking speaker here. The Music Cast in the black noir colorway. All right, Yamaha's definitely a good company, especially when it comes to audio. Everything here is looking in good shape. It's still in the wrap, so we can check this out later. And but it's looking like in pretty good condition. Don't know. I'm gonna guess like 99 bucks for this. I could be way off. It could be like a $30 Bluetooth speaker. But all right, all things that we could, you know, resell, get more money, and then buy more of these for more episodes of Unloaded. More markers. That's been like an also, along with ink, we get a lot of markers and pens and stuff. Alright, so this is a watch case for the Series 3. I say that because there's about 1, 2, 3, 4, Well, we got about too many of these Series 3 watch cases. I'm just gonna put them on the floor for now. One thing that sucks about this series is I have to clean all this up afterwards, and that's just not fun. So 18 of those. What I did last time also was some things that I don't even want to bother reselling. I'll just put down below for you guys if anybody wants it. Let me know. I could, if you're in the United States, something like that, I could send it to you guys. This is a Psi meter. Okay. No real explanation on that one. So it looks like we're getting to a lot of office stuff here. This is like double-sided tape. Unicorn. I don't even know what. Probably like a phone case or something like that. Most likely a phone case. Some more markers and pens. I'm gonna have a whole stack of these, you know, artist markers by the time this series is wrapped up with. This is a 15-foot professional cable speaker. Speak on, it says. This looks like a 1/4 cable. Oh, I have no idea what that thing is at the end. Huh. I guess whatever speak on is, that's what the cable is. All right. And we have another one. I can't use these, unfortunately. We have another Vivo double monitor mount. I think we've got one of these in every box so far. Like the first episodes, I'm pretty sure we had one. So is this the third one of these we have? Oh, man. We got another phone case here. Another one of those phone cases that clip onto your belt. Ultimate dad case. Maybe like a good like construction case for your phone if you're out and about working. Paper clips. Man. Was hoping there would be more interesting tech this time around, but some of the things in the beginning are pretty cool. Oh, but this Nest system, these are, all right, no model number or anything. Let's see, any info on that? Let me pull it out. Everything inside looks like it's in good shape. This is just not seeing a model number, but it's a Nest system. So like a smart thermostat for a smart home. All right, this, if it works, that could be pretty clutch. That could be pretty clutch. We are moving potentially soon, so that could be cool. These are just like a 50-cent stylus. These just look like more magnets. Man, I was really hoping that Gigabyte thing was going to be legit, because that's probably where a lot of the estimated pallet or the estimated return cost came from with that thing. But since that was fake, USB cable, another phone case. All right, let's wrap this box up for now. I don't even know what this all is. We got their address on here. I'll say it's a TV mount. So this is for a heavy-duty TV. This I actually will be keeping. Even though it's all torn up and in bad condition, I do need a TV mount. So that'll do it for this box. This was a lot of these smaller kind of like office stuff, you know. Let's run through these real quick. We have a Casio portable printing calculator. Oh man, tax season coming up. Not really. If I could use this for taxes possibly. Okay, winding on down here, another Vtech cordless phone. This is another thing that we've got about 6 of so far this series. And someone said that I think Vtech, they can't have their phones like activated anymore in the US. So that might explain why everyone is buying them and then returning them if they find out they can't be activated. Got a big box here. What's this Panasonic thing? Another home phone. Taking lots of L's. What is this? A Unison toner. A 1 high yield toner cartridge. Damn, this is a big box. It feels pretty lightweight for the size of that cartridge. Would not be surprised if I opened this up and it just wasn't in there. And the thing about a cartridge toner like this is this thing could be like a few $100, or it could be like $30. That's, you know, that could be applied to half the things in this series. But all right, I mean, yeah, if this thing has got the ink and everything, you load it into a printer, a Lexmark MS417. Hey, this is another great thing to resell because ink is too expensive. Alright, the last two things here inside this box, we'll save that one because it's bigger. A Linko premium cartridge. Is this another... This is more ink? Man, I gotta stop bidding on these office electronics ones and get more, like, gaming gear. Yeah, more massive ink cartridges. I'm bummed out now, but if I can resell these and make, you know, some good money back, then I won't be too bummed then. That is the last of it for this box. And the last thing here, Sentinel One Guard. Let me clear this box. I'll just put this behind me. My room is a disaster. Oh. What is this? It's a paper shredder. Okay. Well, alright, so as I was doing this episode, it got me thinking. 3 boxes worth a lot of stuff. A lot of junk, but a lot of stuff. So these are like the main kind of highlighted products, I'd assume. And I was thinking, since there are 3 boxes here, and the next episode also has 3 boxes, what I'm gonna do is, instead of like going through and testing every single item, see if it's good, see if it works, or if it's broken, like we usually do in the episodes of Unloaded, I'm gonna save those kind of recaps for those more like the bigger bundles that we got for like a season finale. Just to wrap this up, or before we wrap this up real quick, do like a little mini test. I do want to see the condition of this headset. I just think it would be a lot easier than having a very, very long episode. And considering a lot of this stuff was mostly like office supplies, I feel like if I just, you know, saved a lot of the more expensive tech that are going to be the next few bundles, hopefully, it would just make more sense. So this is looking like it's in good condition. Does not look used at all, considering like the condition of the ear cups and stuff, but very, very cheap. Probably like a $20 headset here. Got the mic and everything. Alright, so these Pallet, I've never heard of these drones from Pallet. The security seal though on this is not broken, so I don't want to cut that because I could resell this as new. Same for this one. Both of the security seals are perfect. So if these are brand new, I could resell those. This ball head's gonna be interesting. Hopefully, I don't know. I'm gonna assume like $150 for that, because that's just how Manfrotto is. I'm not really sure, you know, like I said before, about this Net Atmo home security camera, but it looks like it's in good condition there. All the cables and stuff are here. So someone probably just plugged it in and was like, maybe I don't need it. Or maybe they bought it and they forgot to hook it up and use it. But this is the heartbreaker. When I first saw this, the second I opened the box, I got excited. Never even heard of this Designer series, the EX. It looks so nice on the outside. Then you open it up, and it's a crappy... I mean, I shouldn't say crappy. This could also be expensive, but I don't think it's going to be Gigabyte expensive. Asrock's one of those more budget, cheaper companies. Damn. So, alright guys, quick little recap here. Like I said before, this is Unloaded Episode 3. We spent $475, sorry, for these 3 boxes of the mystery Amazon tech returns. In total, it was said to be worth $3,475, but I'm sure this kind of skewed it. Probably skewed it significantly. So, like I said before, I'm going to go through and save the thorough testing of a lot of the products for like a season recap when we're done with Season 1 of Unloaded. We still have, at least right now, 2 more auctions that I have out in the living room, just in a big box, waiting so I can clear all this out and move those in for future episodes. So at least we have episodes 4 and 5 already in the queue. And feel free to check out episodes 1 and 2. I'll put those down below. I'll put the series playlist down below for you guys. But yeah, that'll wrap it up, and I'll also put just a link to the liquidation site where I got these from down below. People always say that this is fake, or I'm just getting boxes and like putting my own stuff in them, but that's haters for you. So hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give this episode a big thumbs up to show your support. Feel free to follow me on Twitter at randomfrankp. And lastly, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Well, I'm Random Frank P. Hope you enjoyed. Have a good day.